Le u-director wethu uyi-blockhe i-scene ukuthi ibe ne-two portions, one with just the murder, because we were shooting a murder and a rape scene. So ubefuna i-version ene-murder kuphela, and then the second version was the murder and the rape. But i-rape yakhona angeke siyi-perform, angeke siyi-acte, izobonakala kwi-close up. Yeah. So manje into eyenzekile is that mase blocker, so what's gonna happen is that ubhuti wakhona is going to push me over the car bonnet, and then we're going to fall into a close-up. So then he's gonna lay on top of me and he's gonna say something, then he gets out of shot, and then you're just gonna see me screaming. So masekwenzeka leyo part ubhuti
At this point, Batsandi Bumkosi nginike namanzi ngiphuze. That is a recording shared by Navana Nonkwemselegu regarding the sexual assaulting case that she has alleged on the actor Bonko Okoza. Hi, Gishu family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Batsandi Bumkosi, Navana narrating her story stated that in September of 2023, during a scene that was shot for the Red Ink produced by Bomb Production, something went wrong. So basically, they were shooting a sex scene between herself and Bonko. But then a tragedy occurred whereby Bonko sexually assaulted her allegedly. And when he was questioned or asked, Bonke allegedly stated that he got carried away. But so from that particular moment, Navana demanded some action. She demanded some answers, and of course, she demanded some justice. So according to her statements, she alleges that there were communications between herself and the production company, and an agreement was made between herself and Bongo, who later on admitted to his mistake allegedly and agreed to apologize. And Navana states that she was willing to let this matter slide and go only if Bongo wrote a formal letter of apology, because he knew what he was and what he was not supposed to do. Regulations and rules and boundaries were set for that particular scene. So for him to cross those boundaries, it was of course wrong. So she has since waited and waited forever for Bongo to send the apology letter, but nothing occurred. Imagine Batsibomkosi, since 2023, she has been back and forth with court cases, opening cases, and all of that. And she even went back to the production, Batsibomkosi, requesting for the scene whereby Bongo actually assaulted her allegedly, but then they are stating that that scene has been removed. The actual situation of how the assault occurred, because they were shooting a movie scene involving sexual acts, but it is quite a difficult thing to describe or rather to explain, because acting, there's a lot that they are doing, and currently most of these productions, they keep on making actors and actresses engage in such acts a lot. So now we are having such issues or cases. But please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this matter? Navana has since appeared on social media and announced that she is done with acting. She wants nothing to do with the traditional media acting because it did her dirty. She tried to get justice for her issues, but nothing was done. So please do leave your comments down below. What do you think? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.